chicos, good morning. Today we are going to discuss during our class this topic 03.05 Media and Politics. And the objectives of this topic are explain how emerging technologies have impacted political communication and analyze and evaluate various forms or bias in modern political communication. Here it says that each day you probably spend several hours interacting with various types of electronics devices to send and receive information. For example, you may use your mobile phone to send messages to your friends about weekend plans, email relatives out coming to visit, and call your parents to let them know what time you will be home. Most Americans, a good deal for their time, are engaging in communicating with others through multiple technologies for various reasons. Politicians and government officials also use an assortment of technology to reach out the public. In this lesson, you will learn about media and in its influence on political communication. For this lesson, you will create a blog for presentation that explains the ever-changing role of media in politics. What's media? The various means of mass communication as a whole group, such as television, radio, newspaper, magazines, and the internet. Remember, my dear students, that I create my tutorials kind of shorts in order to help you to create your format. We will be talking about what are the media, and we will analyze it. Our next page, we have what is the role of media in politics, and we have this key term. And it is scrutinize. They examine something very closely. Let's move on. How have the media involved? And we will be discussing about it, like the evolution of it, even slogans related to politics. And let's see the next page. Okay, this is kind of slow. There it is, I guess. Okay, another topic. What is the State of the Union address? Media and political state of the Union. So we are going to analyze it. We have more key terms yet. Okay, how does bias affect political communication? And what's bias? It says preference toward particular belief or attitude, or two different opinions, and it's when we have to choose one of those. Then, how does regulation affect political communications? Here, monopoly, market structure where a single business dominates a product or service. And can you analyze media? And here we are going to have an exercise to practice it. And basically that's all. We are going to analyze during our class the instructions of our assessment. Remember that now we will try to start working on our assessments on Tuesdays. Okay, my dear students, that's going to be everything for today. See you later, okay? Remember to use this time to create and work on your format. Have a great day, chicos.